comparing how the business organization works. So that is the pricing is fair in the global business market. We ensure that by applying arm's length principle, which basically states that when two companies who are interrelated transact with each other, the prices should be as it is transacting with some independent companies that is not a subsidiary of the company we are analyzing for, and which helps the company to ensure that they are fair, they are following the global transparency standards. So the objective of the study is to understand how benchmarking works, what is the process of benchmarking, sorry, and what problems do companies face while performing benchmarking, and what could be changed about it in the coming future. So the benchmarking process starts with functional analysis, where we identify what the company we are performing or analyzing benchmarking for really works for. Is the company only provides services, or does it also provide storage and transportation services also? This helps us to know what the company business is actually is. And then we perform a database search where we.
Good morning everyone. So my topic of summer internship project is a financial issue-based comparative analysis of OPTCL and TPCL. It is guided by Tapashwini Nayak ma'am, Assistant Professor. Why financial ratio analysis? Financial ratio analysis helps us to assessing the company's financial performance, their strength and weakness. So I basically done the ratio analysis for the financial analysis and compare that with both the companies. So the key insights is I have used the ratios like profitability ratio, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio and equity ratio. So this it helps in the company to make strategic decisions about their financial performance and how they can increase it, enhance it. So my company profile is name of the company is OPTCL, which is Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited.
Okay, go to your objective.
Objective is to analyze the financial statement of both the companies OPTCL and TPCL. I have compared the performance of 3 years, so which is 2021, 21-22 and 22-23, and identifying the strengths and weakness of the company. The 3C analysis is the company is the sole transmission utility of the Odisha, which is 100% government owned, and it is headquartered at Bhubaneswar, provides high voltage power transmission, and KPTCL is the exclusive transmission utility of Karnataka state and headquartered at Bangalore, and advanced SCADA automation and grid capacity is there. Customer are the discounts, the distribution.
Sports officer, the critical progress in operation department and oncology. But it is the instruction providing what is patient flow and reduce the OT time. Yes, it is the process that patient comes into the hospital, and what are the process to registration to the billing to the next intake to the final coming to the doctor. That time that because the time is called OT time. In improving the patient flow, reducing the OT time is crucial for successful healthcare system. In the two goals and now the support making their daily clinical role or schedule. They are about the enhancing patient entire experience about their process from the moment they walk in door to the moment they leave. Efficient process to also bettering the service quality. The objective of study is to enhance to analyze the current patient flow in sports hospital progress in oncology department. They are limited patients are come on daily basis because they are the treatment process very lengthy, because in the day before they move their whole slot in the next day. There is no over coming the patients are coming that day, but they are not as recommended to come in that day to put the slot in that day. They will come in the today. So identify bottleneck in hospital operation. What are the process to delay flow of patient to like to in the peak time there is some extra amount of extra number of patients are coming in that time. It is not difficult to reception and other staff to handle this situation in that time. To improve patient satisfaction and operational efficiency, also to improve the patient satisfaction to improve high speed of service delivery, quality of service delivery, and satisfy operational efficiency to provide a better quality product at the end consumer, because they are not working long period of time, because they are easily irritated because this is a process to lengthy. First they come at 9 a.m. to the process treatment start at 9 a.m. to the end the process evening 5 p.m. This is very long process in the hospital operation and oncology department.
थोड़ा पास जाओ गो क्लोजर टू द स्लाइड आपको डराएगा नहीं, ठीक है.
The overview of the presentation: introduction, objective, research methodology, findings, suggestions, and conclusion. Introduction: IT is engine driving digital transformation, innovation, and efficiency. Gemini Consulting Firm and Services, founded in 2010, guides business in their digital journey and with IT consulting services. Agile transformation helps organizations become more adaptive, collaborative, and effective by adapting frameworks like Scrum and Kanban. Next, objective of the study: to understand agile transformation and relevance in IT sectors. Then, to examine Gemini specific needs for agile in the organization. Then, identify key implementation steps. Then, to analyze impact on performance. That assess how agile affects project delivery, team collaboration, and client satisfaction. And fifth objective is explore tools and frameworks of agile, that is Scrum and Kanban tools, and to suggest solutions for barriers and evaluate overall benefits of agile. Then research methodology.
Go to the previous one. Okay, next.
Research methodology. Research design: descriptive and structure. The study is descriptive research, theory based and applied through a survey. It involves data collection, analysis, and presentation to achieve project objective. Research type: primary quantitative research. Based on quantitative research, gathering numerical information from populations using surveys and polls and questionnaires. Especially, it studies uses primary quantitative research, collecting information directly from respondents. The source of data is primary, as survey, discussions, and direct observation is done by me. And second data like articles, reports, company records, and websites to get data. Then sample design methods, non-probability, concurrent sampling. Sample size is 20. Including all members from employees from all departments, and data was analyzed and presented in the pie chart and table to identify 3 trends and areas for improvement. Then findings of the research: respondents understand agile methodology, relevance. All agree Gemini has a clear agile transformation roadmap. Means 100% of the employees agree to the agile is evolving and it is important for the organization. Then 85% of respondents agree agile training indicates a small gap.
Go to actual work done.
Recommendations. So the topic overview, it's the study focuses on the promotional activities on consumer buying behavior in the cement industry, specifically in Indonesia. With urbanization and infrastructure development, the demand of cement industry has rapidly increases. So nowadays, making promotions a bit crucial. So the promotional activities like discount, cashback offers, and sales promotions are highly influential.
Go to the objective.
So the objectives are to analyze consumer buying behavior. So understanding the consumer perspective, what motivates them to purchase the cement, and to identify types of promotional activities. So there are various types of promotional activities like advertisements and discounts, cashback offers, and loyalty code, and etc. And the third one is to assess impact on cement product sales. So measuring the The production have influenced the sales growth or not. So the research methodology.
Skip that. Skip.
Sampling an area of study. So target consumer demographic to study target consumer age. So we have studied.
Good morning everyone. I am Asper Viswanath. I'm going to presenting my summer internship at the Reliance Trends Tech for analyzing stores in the internet and Reliance Trends. And the retail service that is the major impact to customer engagement is there is a vital role in the retail store. That in fashion retail, so the customer engagement process and composition and especially value for each like Reliance Trends support experience to convert trends and merchandise and experience online. Discover with the offline trends, measuring engagement and solve for the strategy for the sites. Reliance Trends is 30 to 2,100 stores and 1,200 outlets in that area. There are huge amount of area covered by India. Reliance Trends is subsidiary of Reliance Retail and operated the private limited company Reliance Retail. Limited. Multi-layer hierarchy from the corporate store level to capital structure equality invest and internal annual meeting request list.
Good morning, everyone present over here. I am Mba Sip Presentation-2025-2 and today I am going to present a topic about optimization of.
Be louder. Your voice is not audible.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mba Sip Presentation-2025 and today I am going to present about hospital supply chain management at Sports Hospital under the guidance of the customer officer. Okay. Starting from what is supply chain management? Supply chain management is a process of movement of goods or services or information from initial from starting position, that is from suppliers to the end position, that is customer. It tells us about how a right product should be delivered to the right person at right time at right place, so that the customer get benefited and satisfied. In hospital supply chain management, the supply chain management is basically done in purchasing medicine to deliver that medicine to the patient. So it is in the order like that: supplier then purchase the order, then central store, then check the quality of medicine, then store in the inventory, then internal distribution around various departments, then deliver to the patient whenever they require it, and the last is waste and return the medicines to the supplier, so that to prevent wastage. Okay, coming to the objectives of my internship is that minimizing the inventory holding costs to prevent stockouts or overstocking by applying various methods such as JIT, just-in-time method, and FIFO method, and
do not find customer for your products and product for your customers. Hello everyone, good morning to one and a half present over here. I am Manoj Viswar, 24-26 batch. I have completed my summer internship at Master Foods, which is renowned as Internship. So my topic is brand penetration strategy in Indian context of Master Foods. So it is an overview of Master Foods. It was established in the year of 2002 and it shows their tradition and purity. And their product ranges are like 14 types of products. They are having gram flour of 2 types, premium besan and having tadka of 2 types, dhaba tadka and dal tadka, and many more products. Then their unique selling proposition is like they are not adding any kind of synthetic of preservatives to their products and maintaining traditional method to prepare or manufacturing of their products. understanding brand penetration. So brand penetration measures how deeply that brand entered into that market and how widely it was accepted by the customers. And during my SID, increasing in the brand penetration, they can increase their sales, they can increase their visibility and customer loyalty through traditional methods and traditional products. And they can stand tall among all their competitors by this brand penetration strategy. Then their current landscape is they are focusing on tradition and beauty, like I had told that in their when we went to their factory, we saw their chocolate machine from which they are making their products, and product ranges are like they are usually having 100 types of product, but now they have reduced it and make it into 14 products to focus on these 14 products. Then market presence, they are like we know that they are still in the market from 2002. It has been 23 years, but they are not that much expandable from Bhubaneswar to other cities. They are only bounded with Bhubaneswar, and their commitment to quality is like they are focusing on good quality.
कम टाइम में जल्दी प्रोडक्ट डिलीवरी हो जाए. सपोर्ट B2B एंड B2C. सपोर्ट B2B एंड B2C तो बिजनेस टू कस्टमर. B2B में होता है कि पर पार्सल का 10 kg से अगर नीचे हो रहा है वो B2C में जाएगा, 10 kg से ऊपर हो रहा है वो B2B में जाएगा. और प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस 10,000 से ज्यादा हो रहा है तो B2B में जाएगा, 10,000 से कम हो रहा है तो B2C में जाएगा.
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड.
Key findings: A optimization reduces freight costs, significantly benefit SMEs. एक AI driven प्लेटफॉर्म है, जैसे कि पैनल में अगर पिन कोड डालेंगे तो वो शो करता है वही लोकेशन में कौन से एरिया कौन से रूट पे उसको कम टाइम में सर्विस दे सकता है. जैसे कि ऐसे स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर स्मॉल दुकान होता है उनके लिए प्रॉफिटेबल है, क्योंकि वो लोग टेक्नोलॉजी को अडॉप्ट करने के लिए जल्दी रेडी नहीं हो रहे, तो उन लोगों को encourage करा जाता है कि ऐसे कर सकते हैं. कस्टमर सैटिस्फैक्शन इज हाईएस्ट व्हेन लॉजिस्टिक्स इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसपेरेंसी लाइक ट्रैकिंग प्रोवाइड एक्टिव अपडेट्स. जैसे कि बहुत सारे कस्टमर है वो टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में इतने अवेयर नहीं है. उनको क्या लगता है अगर लाइव ट्रैकिंग उनको पता चल जाता है कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट इस लोकेशन में या फिर नेक्स्ट उस लोकेशन में शिपिंग होगा, तो ये उनके लिए भी बहुत प्रॉफिट है. चैलेंज इन रूरल एरियाज विद मिसमैचेस एंड लैक ऑफ रिलायबल लोकल गियर्स. रूरल विलेज स्मॉल एरिया में प्रॉब्लम ये हो रहा है कि पिन मिसमैच हो रहा है, क्योंकि 29,000 जो हमारा पिन कोड है उसके अंदर अगर पिन कोड उसका एरिया का लोकेशन नहीं आ रहा है तो उसके लिए हमारा लिए एक चैलेंज हो रहा है, क्योंकि वो कस्टमर बार बार हमको चेस करें कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट कभी अभी तक डिलीवर नहीं हुआ है, अभी तक मेरे हाउ के पास क्यों नहीं आया है. इसलिए रिटेंशन रिस्क, मेनी एसएमईज इजीली स्विच इफ गिवन टू डिस्काउंट्स बाय कॉम्पिटिटर्स. मेनी नॉट डिफिकल्ट एसएमईज, स्मॉल एसएमईज जैसे लाइक अगर कोई अच्छा डिस्काउंट का डिलीवरी प्रोडक्ट वेट 10 डेज से उसका डिले हो गया है तो उसके लिए वो बार बार चेस करता है. वो एक ऑपरेशन चैलेंज हमारे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था. फिर डाटा चैलेंजिंग, तो फिर डाटा फ्रॉम क्लाइंट से डिफिकल्ट है एक्टिव ऑफ प्राइसिंग. लॉजिस्टिक्स दो चीज पे चलता है, जैसे कि उसका वेट और डायमेंशन. उसके बिना कोई भी लॉजिस्टिक प्लेटफॉर्म चल ही नहीं सकता. जैसे कि कोई क्लाइंट ने मेरे को गलत डाटा दे दिया कि उसका वेट क्योंकि वैरी करता है वेट और उसका साइज का अनुसार वो वैरी करता है, तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम और चैलेंजेस रहता है. कम्युनिकेशन पहले सम एसएमई क्लाइंट्स इन हेजिटेट टू अडॉप्ट, जैसे कि मैंने बोला था स्मॉल एसएमईज दे डोंट ट्राई टू अडॉप्ट इजी टू टेक्नोलॉजीज. लाइक एक कस्टमर था जिसने टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में उसने जो भी बुकिंग करना है हमारे थ्रू बुक कर रहा था, क्योंकि वो रेडी ही नहीं था कि वो बुक कर सकता है या फिर टेक्नोलॉजी अडॉप्ट करके अपने आप कर सकता है, वो रेडी ही नहीं रहते. लर्निंग फ्रॉम अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंडस्ट्री टर्मिनोलॉजी टू PTL, FTL, COD, active book time, PTL on partial truckload, FTL full truckload, COD cash on delivery, RTO return to origin. ये मेरे लिए थोड़ा चैलेंजेस था, क्योंकि न्यू था लॉजिस्टिक में, कभी भी लॉजिस्टिक प्लेटफॉर्म में कभी काम नहीं किया. ये थोड़ा सीखने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कस्टमर है जो एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर है वो डायरेक्ट बात नहीं करते कि हाँ ये सब है, वो डायरेक्ट स्मॉल टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज करते, जो कि मैं अवेयर नहीं था ये हो सकता है उसका मीनिंग भी, तो मैं कर भी नहीं पाता था. 10-15 दिन को प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो समझने के लिए. एक्चुअल वर्क वीडियो में इससे भी मेरा काम है कि लीड मैनेजमेंट. जैसे कि हमारा एक क्लाइंट बेस रहता है लॉजिस्टिकल, जो कि हमारा मैनेजर है, जो हमारा सुपीरियर है, हम तो देते हैं, या फिर हम फील्ड वर्क में जाके लीड भी मैनेज कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि हो गया हमारा मेरे पास महाराष्ट्र बेस का एक कस्टमर थे, तो उनको पर डे हमारा 50 कॉल्स रहता है, पर डे 50 कॉल्स होता है। देन कोल्ड कॉलिंग, जैसे कोल्ड कॉलिंग मतलब हम पहले हम कस्टमर को कॉल करते हैं, अगर वो इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहा है